Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to install the xenon lamps for the left side and the right side. I have watched a lot of videos that some people used to remove the water windshield receiver, so that's not a bad idea, but some people facing a lot of problem, and especially me, because I don't want to break the little piece of plastic that connected the tube below. So I have found a way. It's very simple. You need to remove this rubber shabber, okay, and after that remove the plastic. There is a clips over here and here and here and here, and after that remove the water receiver from this bolt. Just keep it away, just try to remove it and keep it away, because you want to slip your hand inside here, and yes, you can open it and install the lamp. You can also watch your hand when you want to install it. The left side is, you can use your right hand also as well. I have installed them successfully after removing this plastic, this one, and don't forget to remove this shabber. Thank you.